With Gaming Hub, you can experience everything you love about gaming all in one place. To access Gaming Hub, simply press the Smart Hub button, navigate to the left, and select the game controller icon. Gaming Hub shows a variety of gaming apps and gaming consoles if you have any connected. You can scroll through this menu to select a game and start streaming games. Select controllers from the Accessories and Music submenu and follow the prompts to pair your favorite compatible Bluetooth gaming controller. Simply select your favorite app and use your existing login to start streaming games. When you're in a game, optimize your experience with the game bar. To bring it up, simply hold down on the play-pause button on your remote. From here, you can make game-specific adjustments. You can also pair a Spotify account to turn your gaming session into a jam session. Dive into a world of featured gaming videos at your fingertips, and with instant access to the settings icon in Game Bar, you can effortlessly tailor your gaming experience to perfection. If you don't have a controller available, try installing the Virtual Gamepad app. The Virtual Gamepad app connects via SmartThings with no need to pair with Bluetooth. Once you start to use the Game Hub and all the gaming features on your Samsung TV, you'll take your fun and excitement to the next level.